Hello guys, I'm Dr. Gökay Bilgin from Smile Hair Clinic. So today we are shooting a series which is called Rapid Fire. I definitely have zero idea about the questions, so I have 30 seconds to answer each one of them. I don't know if I will be doing good or if you would think that I could do better. So I want to see the comments.
How do you determine the number of grafts needed?
I first try to evaluate the recipient zone surface. So approximately I try to estimate around 30 or 50 grafts per centimeter square. It depends on the density of the donor zone. So I try to measure the recipient zone and I estimate a certain graft number. Also, Norwood scale helps us a lot.
Does more grafts always mean better results?
No, it doesn't, because the graft number is really depends on the how big the recipient zone is and how dense it is. So the people with the big recipient zone with the same density, bigger recipient zone with the same density has the more graft number, but at the end of the day they have a bigger recipient zone. So sometimes with 4,000 grafts you can only cover 1/3 of the head.
What is density in hair transplant terms?
Yes, of course we can increase density in the second session. Sometimes our patients want to have the hair transplant for the all of the scalp, so it means that we need to distribute them evenly, but they come for another one to increase the all over density.
Is there a limit to graft extraction from the donor area?
We try to stay under the 30% of the donor zone for the extraction. Otherwise, we can create scars or we can cause a not nice look of the donor zone. Thank you for joining us today, and please do not hesitate to contact us for anything in your mind. See you guys.